or I could have got the dates mixed up. And Simon's an interesting guy. It's a British accent. How could you not love it? Because when British people say things, it makes a lot more sense than anybody else. It just sounds good. It has credibility to it, even though it's not true. It just sounds like it does. Early on, I got Simon's book somewhere back there, Begin with the Why, right? But again, I read the book. It was good. It's everything a lot of things, all of it, I probably believed in. So it was great. But Begin with the Why has been around for a long time, right? It's easy to say no when there's a deeper yes burning within. You have to know why you're doing it before what you're doing it. Again, this has been around from my early days with Stephen Covey in the early 90s. You read, the great Stoics, you'll talk about the why. Again,
Continue the conversation in the full-length episode. Click the link in the description or visit my channel.